Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add people to Google Photos. In other words, how you can tag them on photos containing them or their likeness. So let's get right into it. First of all, of course, you just need to go into the app, and from your gallery, you just need to tap a photo with the face or faces you want to tag. From there, you just need to tap the three dots in the upper right corner, or just swipe up to access additional options. Then under people, you'll see either faces that Google has already identified, or simply CX faces available to add. Then you need to tap the pencil icon to edit these labels. From there, you will see an available to add section where you need to tap a face you'd like to manually tag, and you can also tap the minus on incorrect face tags to remove the label so that you can fix it yourself. And it looks something like this, as you can see. As you can see, you just click on the top right on those three dots. Excuse this. Then you'll see the faces. Here you just click the pencil icon, and from there you just need to click on either the plus or the minus depending on what you tag, and you can tap a face you've previously identified in the peoples and pets grid, and or tap the plus button in the upper right corner to create a new person label. Then tap create when prompted to create a new person or pet, and once that person has been identified, give them a name which is either original or from your contacts, and then that should be it. And yeah, that's pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.